that's too close for comfort.
Picking up the car today,
Look at that.
and it's going straight to auto show price.
You gotta do it the proper way.
There's a Bugatti Chiron over here. I'm wanting to see this car for the longest time. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Car Community channel. We are out here at Giannetti's Performance, and this is Jason, the owner of Giannetti Performance. They are similar to AGX in LA, as you can see, filled with Lamborghinis. And they do Bentleys, Porsches. What else do you guys do over here?
A little bit of everything. Ferrari, a couple of Rolls Royce every now and then, you know.
So what's this?
That's a Moser.
This is a Moser. Take a look at this car. Yeah. This is actually pretty crazy. What kind of motor does it have?
It's a Chevrolet LS engine, 450 horse. It's got a Porsche GT3 transmission built by Powerhouse 2.
Wow.
It's inverted and low center of gravity, super light, super fast. It fucking beat a Ducati on the racetrack.
Oh wow, look. We have Nick's Synergy Detailing's Viper GTSR over here too. We actually saw this car a couple days ago. And we are actually here at Giannetti Performance. You guys have been asking me, where is the Lamborghini Huracan? It's been at Giannetti Performance for the past couple of weeks. We've taken off the exhaust. It's actually for sale. So this is actually the sole performance exhaust that was on the car. Super loud straight pipe, and it's actually for sale now. If you guys want to buy this exhaust, take a look at that. So Jason's actually the one that put it on for us, and he also took it off because we got a sick build coming for the New York Auto Show. So you guys are gonna have to stay tuned. I believe we saw this car at CF Charity's booth in Philadelphia, but look at all this carbon fiber, guys. This car must be super light. This is one of the craziest cars I've ever seen. Similar to Avant-Garde Exotics, Giannetti's is actually 24/7 as well. You see, it's 10:42 p.m. and he's still open. he's got to work long hours to make sure the cars are ready and good. Wow, look at this. So this is a
Bentley GT motor, 2004 and 5. Have the early vacuum problems with the lines coming down behind the motor on top of the tranny. These are known problems on the early cars. They crack. I make all these plastic lines out of coated steel, and I make the uprights out of aluminum. This is like a set all bundled up. I hand bend every line, and it's guaranteed for life. Once the repair is done, it's golden.
That's awesome. So last time I was actually here, he was actually doing another Bentley a couple months ago. I wasn't vlogging then, but
I got three more.
You got three more
waiting outside.
So if you guys have these problems with your Bentley and you're watching the channel, make sure you guys hit up Giannetti's. He'll hook it up for you.
Take a look at the front of this thing.
Wow.
It's cool looking. The motor in it.
I've never seen a Bentley without a motor before. This is actually pretty sick.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. So this is actually a 1971 Lamborghini Espada. Jay's gonna be telling us a little bit about the car right now. Wow, what is this, a V12? I love V12s, by the way. That's one of my favorite engines. So tell us a little bit about this car.
It's a 71 Lamborghini Espada. Original motor and everything. The guys owned it since the car was 6 months old. Wow. I remember seeing this car when I was 15 years old, pumping gas, and this car was in a repair shop that long ago, and I remember the car.
And now you're fixing them.
Now I'm fixing it. Full engine restoration, interior restoration, and going through the car, making
So what exactly did you do over here? You added some pipes?
Oh, the whole entire motor and transmission was out.
This is for the fuel, I believe,
resealed
right?
the whole entire engine, rebuilt the cylinder heads, valve adjustment, went through the carburetors, cleaned them up, and new tune-up parts, timing chains, everything else.
Yeah, he does some sick work, guys. So this is actually one of the days where he doesn't have the shop filled with Aventadors, but usually there's a lot of Lambos here and a bunch of other cars as well, a lot of exotics, so sick. There it is, guys. It's been 6 months since I've seen the car. Not six, that was exaggerating. It's been like a month since I've seen the car because I've been traveling so much, going to California. Oh, how much do I miss this car? What's up? Jason over here has put on the stock sport exhaust that comes with the car. Doesn't sound that bad. Back to stock we go. Doesn't sound too bad. Right now the car is actually in strata mode. Jay is gonna be pressing the button to open it up. Not bad, not bad. I think maybe, should we keep the stock exhaust? I don't know. Maybe it would sound better with the stock exhaust. I'm pretty impressed. So that's gonna end it for me over at Giannetti Performance. Jason, thank you very much for taking care of the car for the past month. And let's go. I'll see you at the auto show.
Definitely, brother.
You gotta be there. Hopping in the Huracan right now. Oh, it's been a while. So everybody, we finally left Giannetti Performance and we have taken the Huracan to the city. It's about to go to Manhattan Motorcars to get prepped for the New York Auto Show. And it's going into that trailer right now. Yo, what's up, Xavier?
Yeah,
Welcome to the channel. First time on the Car Community channel.
So I want to thank my fans. Bro, I just can't believe they brought a whole military truck out.
I know, right? Bro, this is gonna be a sick. It's gonna be a sick build. It's gonna kill. Not really kill, because there's a lot of other Huracans on the internet that are kill the game, but this build is gonna be sick for sure. Damn, that's too close for comfort. Damn. Bye bye. This is what sketches most owners about putting their car on the trailer. So the Huracan's securely on the trailer right now. Big shout out to Manhattan Motorcars for bringing out the trailer. So I want to give a big shout out to Miles and Musa from Manhattan Motorcars for doing this for us. We owe you a big one.
You gotta do it the proper way.
Exactly.
No wood. Pause on that.
I'm sorry if I clickbaited you guys. The Lamborghini is not broken. It's just going in for service, making sure the car is fully healthy for the New York Auto Show. I'm gonna be heading with the tow truck driver on the way to Manhattan Motorcars. This thing's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna mob through New York City right now. Finally here at Manhattan Motorcars. Yo, I can't believe they're opening up. As you guys can see, the hours are right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is him, the man himself, Mr. Musa. Thank you, Musa, for staying behind. I gotta give a big shout out to you. He's the man. So we're out here at Manhattan Motorcars, and look at the Lamborghini Urus. This is the new Moke that they have. Private access in Manhattan Motorcars after hours. They have a Lamborghini Urus over here, a new Huracan. Wow, and a Performante Spider, guys. Holy crap. You know, guys, the Performante is one of my favorite cars, and I might get it soon. So what do you guys think? Performante, forged carbon. And they have an SVJ over here. Look at this red. If you guys are looking for an SVJ and you don't have an allocation, they actually have one here for sale at Manhattan Motorcars in this beautiful red. And it also has the comfort seats. The MSRP on this car is $605,000. And as you guys know, we were the first ones in New York to pick up the first SVJ. Yo, Xavier, there's a Bugatti Chiron over here. Holy crap. Wow. Take a look at this carbon fiber weave. Holy crap, guys. Over here at Manhattan Motorcars, you can fully spec out your Bugatti to your special needs. They have all the codes for the paint over here. And the leather. Not to mention a scale model of the Bugatti Chiron. Look at it right here. Look, which one would you rather pick? Would you pick the Bugatti Chiron, the official one, or would you rather have this?
You know, it's tough.
Right?
It's tough.
You know, you could put this in your room, but this fits in the garage. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Would you rather take the? I know everyone's gonna be like, oh, you take the big one, it's worth more, blah blah blah. But I'd rather have a Chiron in my room than in the. Nah, I'm being stupid. Don't. Gotta have the Chiron in the garage, because that's what it's about. And the Bugatti Veyron. About a couple months ago, we were here at Manhattan Motorcars. We took a look at the Veyron. I'm gonna put a link right here. Click it to watch that video. Last time we were here, the Chiron was not here, and it's finally here. Been wanting to see this car for the longest time. So here it is, up close and personal. Guys, I legit feel like $1,000,000 right now sitting in the Bugatti Chiron next to the beautiful Bugatti Chiron. Take a look at this chair. Full carbon fiber chair with the Bugatti symbol in there. If you guys want to come to Manhattan Motorcars, make sure you drop the car community name and tell them we sent you. They'll take you for a full tour of the place. So the Huracan is securely at Manhattan Motorcars facility. It's gonna be here for the next week, getting a little service done. So basically I missed the whole car getting out the trailer, but I got you some special content in Manhattan Motorcars, seeing the SVJ and the Bugattis. Hey man, thanks for the tow.
Hey, no problem, man.
So we're gonna end the night right here at Manhattan Motorcars. Make sure you guys smash the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, follow us on Instagram and Snapchat for behind the scenes, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog.